Hey guys, and today I kind of feel weird. Uh, my head kind of hurts too. I don't remember what happened, though I recall falling asleep yesterday after drinking like a fish. I just woke up and I realized I've become a dog. What a crappy situation. I should come to my scenes and look around. I should look away from the just never mind. Hello. Woof woof. Woof 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 woof. I had no idea what that means. Will you say the same? Woof 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 woof. Woof 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 woof. Woof 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 woof. Woof 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 woof. Woof woof. I have no idea what that means. So I think they all say, woof woof woof.
Dylan, guess what?
Something just came up and it said eat. Fridge. Notes and photos are attached to the fridge. Yep, those are mine. I should eat. But I can't eat. Wait, did I just eat something? Am I eating these weird bugs? Dog food. It's locked. I smell dog food through the crack. Yes, I'm eating it. Maybe if I go the other way. This door is locked. Oh. I don't know what to do. Is that door locked? Come on. It's probably locked. You're just gonna say woof. Eat. It's not connected. Now, what are we supposed to do? Hello. It's a strange flower. Yep. Trash can? Nope. Maybe if I keep on talking to them, then I'll understand. Does that seem... never mind. Hello. Oh, eat. I can't eat. Anything in here? What am I supposed to do with the bugs? There better be something like a dog food bowl around here. Maybe there's something in the corner. Maybe under the table? Nope. This is not good. In the cabinets? Eat. I don't know. Curtains maybe? Nope. Unplug. This better not be locked. Yep, it's locked. Oh my gosh. 1. Still level 1. Maybe I just need to wait. Whenever it says eat, I just stand there and eat all the food. It's a weird idea, but I think it'll work. Oh, a bug. I wonder what the bugs do. I guess I'll never know. Eat. No!
Mom said after cooking.
Oh, eat. Yum, yum. Let me eat. I can't eat whenever you're just being savage. This is not going to go well. Maybe if I just stand in the middle, then I may get a chance. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stand in the middle until it says eat, eat. Just going to wait in the middle. Oh, yes. Okay, now can I hear what you say? Okay, I have woof, woof, woof. I have no idea what that means. I'm gonna wait for more food. I think it's gonna come from up there where that white dog is. So I'm just gonna get ready to tap. Anywhere. Oh, music change. Hopefully that means something. I'm just gonna wait. I just want to know what they're saying. Oh, there it is. 3. There we go. Hi, woof woof. You seem to be woof woof. This place is woof woof. I have woof woof. How about you? Or have you changed much? Yeah, I need to eat more dog food. I should understand in like a couple of levels. What now? Where's the eat? I want to eat. Eat. Yum. Bugs. What is that? What's that? Let me eat. Oh, come on. So I'm just gonna have to wait. I'm gonna pause until I get a high level. Okay, I got to level 4. Hey, you mutt. I don't know, woof woof. How about, have you changed either? Hi, woof woof. Let's become woof woof. This place is woof 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 in. Once you're in, you're a woof woof. I have woof woof. It's like a virus. Okay. Hope I actually get to eat much. Come on. Eat. What now? There's all the other dogs would just go away. They're stealing all my food. Especially that guy. Okay, eat. No. I think I figured it out. Stand in the middle. The very middle. Then you have the highest chance of eating the food. Who is even feeding me? I don't know. Oh. Just waiting for more dog food. Eat. Yes. Yum, yum, yum. Yes. Okay, now can I understand? Hi, my name is Wolf. I think I just need to get like to level 7 and I should understand. Okay, guys, I've got to level 7. Yes. Oh. New face. Let's become Woof Woof. This place is woof, woof, woof. And once you're settled down, actually, I have a small woof, 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 woof. I better eat some more dog food. Maybe I just need to get to level 10. Maybe that's it. Because it's boring. And the music scares me. I don't know why. I'm peeing my pants right now. Okay, let's just wait for the dumb dogs to eat. There we go. Can I understand you? Now I think I know what you mean. Tommy, you seem to be new face. Let's become close friends. This place is a great place to live once you're settled down. Actually, I have a small woof woof. Will you do it? Actually, I just need to do one more level and then I'm good. Just wait for these dummy dogs. Come on, I know you're gonna let me eat. I'm better at this game. First, I didn't know. I think I've actually played this before. Well, I haven't played this because I am. I've played a game where someone turned into a dog, and I think this happened to me. Oh, eat. That was perfect. Just one more. Thank you. Small woof woof. Okay. We have to wait for that small woof woof to occur. Okay. I want to understand him fully. So I'm just going to do this like one more time probably. I may get it. I've done this too many times. Just wait here until it says eat. Say eat, please. Make it right beside me. I know you want to. The opposite of what I wanted, but still, I might. 10. No. Yes. Okay, I can understand you. A small favor. Yes. Woof. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I have no idea what that means. I literally don't. Okay, wait for the dog food. Hope we don't have to get to level 20. That would be a nightmare. If it's catching bugs, I have caught a lot. What if it's catching 100? That'd be quite the task. Dog food. Oh, dog food. Come on. Yes. What's over here? Probably not gonna get any. No, you beasts. You barely saved me any. How about now? Still, I don't know. No idea what that means. I should whenever I level up some. This game is hard. Well, it's not hard, it's boring. I'm just gonna pause until I get to like level. Hopefully 13 is enough. Oh, don't know what that means yet. So it spawned right beside me. The toy that's in the bathroom, okay. Well, that's kind of easy. But the door's locked. How about your task? Bugs are woof woof. I have no idea what that means. Name's Sunny. A creature far beyond the dog. You're new, huh? Are you wondering why I'm jumping? I was actually a human being, but I turned it. Oh my. Me too! After a lot of research, I found my way to become a human again. 100 million jumps like this, and I'll become a human again. Were you also a human? You seem to understand what I'm saying. Try to do it like me if you want to become a person again. This old dog seems to be talking my language. Was he really human? Can I jump? Hint. Bathroom key, hint. Oh my gosh, I just need a hint. Okay, finally. Get the mouse from James. Pass the mouse on to Chris. Look into the kitchen sink. I'm just gonna look into the kitchen sink. Kitchen sink. Where's the mouse? Are these mouses? Eat. Oh, I know I don't get to. Yep. Mouse. What mouse? Who's James? Are you James? I don't know which one of you are James. Please, woof woof. This game is weird. Can I just go in there? Is it locked? Or can I just not leave? No. Eat. Yep, I'm not gonna get a single bite. Well then, guys, that's it for this episode. Wait, is this a mouse first? They don't look like mice. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.